Atomy is a network marketing company, which is also often referred to as a multi-level marketing company or an MLM. An MLM does not necessarily mean it's a network marketing company, and vice versa. I know some of these types of companies have been linked to some bad press. I've seen it myself, and before working for Atomy, I was also hesitant. But Atomy is a company that seeks to change the face of network marketing and bring in a new era of ethical retail through leveraging your network. Today, I'm going to explain why we are different. But first, what is a network marketing company or MLM? Traditionally, a network marketing company is a business in which representatives generate sales and earn commissions through the recommendation of products to their network. An MLM company is one which incorporates a tiered payment structure based on the size of the network. So the difference here is whether there is a tiered payment structure or not. Now, I know this might trigger the negative image of pyramid or Ponzi schemes to mind. However, these terminologies are frequently misused. Pyramid and Ponzi schemes refer to institutions which ask for money or investment with no concrete product in return. In addition, Ponzi schemes claim to pay out commissions for recruitment of members. This simply does not happen in Atomy. Atomy embraces and recognizes network marketing as one of the purest and most effective forms of marketing. Our business model, commission structure, ethos, and fundamental principles result in a fair, sustainable, and ethical way of operating. We focus on making our absolute quality, absolute price products as lucrative as possible, so much so that they almost sell themselves. Distributors do not earn commission from bringing people into Atomy. They gain cash back for any sales of products made as a result of their referral. Essentially, this means we are a company which allows individuals to run their own business as marketeers of our products. In everyday life, we are all network marketers, whether we realize it or not. Have you ever recommended a restaurant to your friends or shared a link to a product through your WhatsApp group? You did network marketing. So, what are the key features that make us different? 1. Firstly, our membership is free, and with Atomy there is no buy-in, unlike many other network marketing schemes. Becoming an Atomy distribution member or a business member is also completely free. It always has been and it always will be. We are like an exclusive members club. In order to have access to our products, you need to become a member. But it's totally free to join. 2. Atomy products are regular and great quality items such as shampoo, skincare, and health supplements, which you need to use in your daily lives. They are produced by one of the top beauty manufacturers in the world, who also manufactures for some of the most premium brands in the industry. Our mission is encouraging consumers to switch from other brands to Atomy. We do not sell fad products. We invest heavily in customer and member research to ensure that we only develop products that enhance members' lives. And Atomy's products are more than just useful. They are award-winning, top quality products in their own right. Atomy is committed to creating masstige products. That's prestige luxury goods for the mass market, with an underlying ethos of absolute quality, absolute price. This means Atomy's products are unbeatable in quality for the price consumers pay. 3. We operate a binary plan. Network marketing companies who get it wrong give out the largest rewards to the smallest groups. Atomy turned this idea on its head and shares the largest pot of commission with the largest group, cumulatively rewarding each person at each level. This means our model works for our members wherever they are in their distribution journey. It doesn't matter when you join, every person could get to the same level with hard work. 4. We actively discourage betting. This is a network marketing term you may or may not be aware of. Betting is a mechanic which some distributors will use illicitly to try and maximize their rewards. Atomy's clever technical systems look out for this, and when it's spotted, accounts are terminated. 5. Atomy's members are at the heart of everything we do. We provide everything a distributor could need. This includes the content and marketing collateral created and produced by our dedicated team. As well as the marketing material, we provide step-by-step plans of how to set up your Atomy business. We want our members to feel that they always have the tools they need to run their own business. We run regular free training seminars and success academies to support distributors' journeys to success. You can find out lots of information on our very own channel. ch.atomy.com/UK. 6. We approach business holistically. We are open and honest. Becoming an Atomy distributor full-time, replacing a traditional job, is hard work. It can be incredibly rewarding and lucrative, although like any job, it takes dedication, energy and drive to make it a success. It's not a get-rich-quick money scheme. We believe that money, although important, is not the ultimate key to a happy life, which is why we support all our members with holistic training, developing their vision, goals and life planning. 7. There is no need for members to invest or hold any stock. We really are just an online shopping mall where we want our members to refer others to. And the more you do this, the more opportunity you have to earn some cash back. I hope you have found this information useful. If you're